A lot of languages in the world are written from left to right. English, French, and German are just some examples of languages that are read and written from left to right. There are languages out there that read left to right, or RTL, like Arabic. In these cases, having your theme support these languages can increase your reach and sales. Unfortunately, there is a problem, which is most of our content by default is LTR, meaning left to right. Actually, developing a theme or plugin for RTL sites requires that you set up a WordPress RTL installation. This would take too much time. Luckily, there is a plugin that someone developed that will help us test our site with RTL content. Go to the admin dashboard and navigate to Plugins Add New. Search for the plugin called RTL Tester. Install and activate it. This plugin will add a new menu item on the navbar that will let you switch from LTR to RTL. Switch your site to RTL. You'll notice things don't really change. That's because we need to prepare the CSS that will move things from right to left. This isn't a CSS course, so I won't be going over how the CSS works. Be aware that to make a site RTL, you have to add CSS code that makes it appear RTL. I've already created the CSS files that change things. To load these files, we have to register and enqueue them. Open the includes/front/enqueue.php file. To save some time, I'm just going to paste the register styles functions. All these styles will make the necessary CSS changes required to make the site and content RTL ready. However, I don't want to enqueue these files right away. I want to check to see if the site is in RTL mode. Inside a conditional statement, call the function isRTL. If this function returns true, then that means the site is in RTL mode. If it is in RTL mode, then I'm going to enqueue all the styles we just registered like so. Now that we're loading the RTL styles, let's test it out. Go ahead and refresh the page. The content should now be reading from right to left. Switch back to LTR to test if the site returns to normal. After confirming the changes, you should be finished. Adding RTL support is as easy as including the CSS files needed to make a site RTL. You don't have to use any special PHP functions or change the core.